Welcome back to Arch Zenith. Imagine walking into a home that feels twice its size. Light drifting across smartly arranged furniture, plants softening the corners, and every surface somehow useful. That feeling isn't magic, it's intentional design. And today, I'll show you 5 practical ways to make a small home feel comfortable, generous, and utterly livable. You don't have to pick between style and function. Compact living is about creative choices, the right furniture, clever storage, layered lighting, and small rituals that make a place feel like home. I'll walk you through tangible ideas you can apply this weekend, whether you rent an apartment or own a tiny house. Each tip I share is grounded in real projects, solutions I recommend to clients who want cozy, functional spaces without clutter. Expect quick wins and a few thoughtful upgrades that deliver the biggest comfort per dollar return. Let's begin with the foundation, furniture that does more than one thing. If you love hands-on tips and before-after thinking, stick around. Ready? Let's turn small into soulful. Segment 1. Choose multifunctional furniture zone plus purpose. Start by thinking of furniture as tools, not trophies. A sofa that converts to a guest bed, a dining table that doubles as a workspace, or ottomans with internal storage instantly multiply function without multiplying footprint. These pieces free up floor area and reduce visual clutter. In practice, define zones with multifunctional anchors. A slim console behind a sofa becomes a desk. A daybed with underdrawers is a seating area and bedding storage. A fold-down table is meal prep by day, dining nook by night. This approach keeps each zone purposeful and tidy. When selecting pieces, prioritize scale and proportion. Choose furniture with slimmer profiles, elevated legs to expose floor area, and hidden storage compartments that won't bulk the room. Materials matter. Lighter finishes and thin frames help the eye read more space. Finally, invest in 1 or 2 signature multifunctional pieces and keep the rest minimal. The result feels curated rather than cramped, and your small home will breathe because every item earns its place. Segment 2. Use vertical and invisible storage. Think up and under. When floor space is scarce, look up. Wall-mounted cabinets, open shelving, and tall wardrobes take advantage of vertical volume you already own. Vertical storage keeps daily surfaces clear and uses otherwise wasted air. It's both practical and visually elongating. Underbed drawers, toe-kick drawers in kitchen islands, and stair storage solutions reclaim hidden cubbies. Even low-cost changes, adding hooks behind doors, slim over-the-fridge shelves, or rail systems for kitchen tools, dramatically reduce countertop clutter. Design tip: mix closed and open storage. Closed units hide less attractive items. Open shelves display plants, art, and curated objects that warm the room. Keep open displays intentionally sparse. Negative space is as important as what you show. Label and rotate seasonal items so storage doesn't become a graveyard. A maintenance habit, the 3-minute tidy, keeps your small home feeling orderly. Storage isn't just where things go. It's how you choose to live with fewer, better loved items. Segment 3. Amplify light, color, and reflective surfaces. Small spaces respond to light. Maximize natural light with sheer window treatments, trimmed furniture placement, and mirrored surfaces that bounce daylight deeper into rooms. Even a small mirror placed opposite a window can change the entire mood. For color, favor a restrained palette with layered textures rather than lots of contrasting hues. A soft, warm base, off-whites, warm grays, pale terracotta with richer accents creates depth without visually chopping the room into pieces. Continuity across spaces makes the whole feel larger. Glossy backsplashes, satin wood finishes, and glass front cabinets add subtle reflection that livens surfaces without feeling cold. Use matte textures for cozy textiles, rugs, cushions, and throws, so the room balances light and comfort. Finally, control artificial lighting with layers. Ambient overhead light, task lamps for reading or cooking, and accent lights for artwork or shelves. Dimmable fixtures instantly shift a compact space from functional to relaxing. Segment 4. Design flexible layouts with movable elements. Rigid layouts lock a small space into one mode. Instead, plan for flexibility. Lightweight chairs, nesting tables, and casted storage let you reconfigure quickly for guests, work, or a quiet night in. Flexibility equals longevity for small homes. Think in cushions rather than walls, portable screens, curtain partitions, or folding furniture can create temporary privacy or change a room's function in minutes. This is especially useful if you need to switch between a home office and bedroom. Rugs are powerful. Use them to define zones and make rearrangement feel intentional. A runner through a narrow living dining area visually connects spaces while delineating circulation paths. Keep walkways at least 60 to 75 centimeters wide for comfortable movement. Design for movement. Not only furniture that moves, but sightlines that allow the eye to travel. A small home that feels flexible is a small home that can adapt as life changes. Segment 5. Add biophilic and cozy touches for comfort. Comfort is more than ergonomics, it's atmosphere. Introduce plants, natural materials, and tactile textiles. A single statement plant, a woven throw, or a wooden tray can soften edges and create an emotional connection to the space. Biophilic touches improve air quality and mood. If you lack sunlight, choose low-light plants like pothos or snake plant, or simulate warmth with natural wood tones and soft lighting. The goal, a lived-in, cared-for feeling that invites you to linger. Sound and scent matter too. Soft rugs, fabric wall hangings, and a small diffuser or candle create layers of comfort. These elements don't take space, but they change how a space feels, turning efficiency into sanctuary. Remember, cozy is curated, not cluttered. Keep surfaces purposeful and use textiles, plants, and art as finishing touches that make your compact home truly comfortable. There you have it, 5 practical strategies: multifunctional furniture, vertical storage, light and color, flexible layouts, and biophilic comfort to make a small home feel spacious and, importantly, inviting. Small doesn't mean limited, it means intentional. If you try one of these tips, tell me in the comments which you picked and send a photo. I love seeing real transformations. If you want a downloadable checklist or a shopping guide for multifunctional furniture, say yes and I'll make one. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Arch Zenith for more design tips, and hit the bell for daily ideas. Thanks for watching. Let's make small feel spectacular.